So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are here again to my scooter. So this is my scooter Xiaomi Pro 2. So today's video is, as you can see, is there have no space for here to put my camera. So that's why today's video is we're going to put a extended bar from here. So this is my new accessories extended bar, so I'll put here to my scooter. So that's why I have a extension or to put something here in my scooter. So let's go guys, let's start, and we fix this kind of extended bar to my Xiaomi Pro 2 scooter. So let's go and let's start. This is my extension, so let's take out the cover and then we will put here in my scooter. So first we need to take out all. Alright, this is my new extension. So first we need to take out this kind of, so first we Alright guys, we already set up my extended bar. So as you can see, I already fixed now, and then I had put my camera here. So that's why I have a lot of things I can put here. So thank you guys for this watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit like the notification bell to update to more YouTube update. So thank you guys, and thanks you for watching. Thank you, and see you to my next vlog.